Hey you, welcome to Trash Talk.
Hey guys, Ed from Junk King of Pittsburgh here. One of the great parts about my job here at Junk King is keeping stuff out of landfills. We do that through numerous ways, recycling, donation, and sometimes we pick up a treasure like this 1903 Old Town canoe that I will repurpose myself. This canoe was bought in 1950 by a lovely couple up in Maine. They spent their lifetime paddling around the lakes of the upper Northeast, relocated to Pittsburgh, and unfortunately no longer used the canoe, and they offered it to me when we were doing another job for them. The canoe does need some love, some TLC, but honestly, when it's done, I will be paddling around a 100-year-old classic. We'll see you next time on Trash Talk.